You're going down like fucking Charlie Brown. I'm gonna drop you like a bag of oats. Beat it.
That's the best you can come up with?
That's 40-something years of more experience and better comebacks.
Oh, man.
All that dancing just put the car right back where it was.
You know, I think the Mach 1 won. He beat me.
The Mach 1 beat you?
Yeah, he beat me inside.
Shucks. Kenan, what do you think of these cars?
You want to go?
He's telling you what he thinks.
You want to go?
We
It's not
got
my car. I can't do that. I'm sorry. Next time.